In this video, we will talk about how to fix Windows 11 search bar not working. Method 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on bottom bar, select Task Manager. Scroll it down and search for Windows Explorer. Once you find it, right-click and select Restart. Method 2. Windows Updates. Click on Windows icon, open Settings. On the left, select Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install all available updates. An outdated system might be the reason to cause search issues. Method 3. Search Service. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Run. Type Services.msc and click OK. Here you have to find Windows Search. Simply click in here, press W on your keyboard. Scroll it down and right-click on Windows Search. Select Restart. Method 4. Stop and Start Services. Right-click Windows icon, choose Terminal as Admin and click on Yes. Paste the following command in here or type net stop Windows Search and press Enter. Once it has stopped, you need to start the services. For that, simply change the stop to Start and press Enter. After running the command, click on Windows icon and restart your computer. Method 5. Reset your PC. If nothing works, you might consider resetting your PC. Click on Windows icon, open Settings. On the left, select System. Scroll it down and select Recovery. Here, click on Reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files if you don't want to lose your personal data. So that's how you can fix Windows 11 search bar not working. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in the I button above. See you in the next video.